In the field of metal stamping die design, we have accumulated rich experience. We specially set up a professional die design team with rich experience, which can fully meet customer requirements for high-level die design. Very familiar with European and American automotive die design standards, machining process, and also the industry's key pain points. We focus on high-level automotive die structure design and always follow a scientific and rigorous design philosophy. For every tooling, we create a rational, efficient, and durable structure design. From project launch up to final implementation, we provide full process technical support to help to upgrade production efficiency, make the whole process more smoothly and more effectively. We are highly prominent in core technologies, especially in the structure design of large, complex progressive dies and multi-station transfer dies. In addition, we have introduced advanced dynamic simulation technology. In structure design phase, we can accurately simulate the entire running process and the details of transfer fingers movements. Through simulation, we can predict potential issues in structure and motion coordination in advance, then repeatedly iterate and optimize the design to further improve the tooling performance and the stability. Choosing our die design team means choosing professional, stable, and reliable die structural solutions.